So hello and welcome back na naman sa Gotech TV, guys. So it's been a while since nag-release kami ng videos and yun nga, medyo naging busy sa shop. And for our first build of the year, no, as usual, let's start this comeback build like always, no, by identifying our parts. First is yung processor natin, 78X3D paired with LT720 by Deepcool, 360 siya na AIO, so very powerful, match na match sila ng processor. For our, graphics card, ang ginamit natin is RTX 4070 Super from Gigabyte. For our RAMs, ang ginamit natin is GSkill Ripjaws, 32GB and 5600 mHz. Okay, so for the motherboard, ang gagamitin natin is MSI Mag, B650 Tomahawk Wifi. Dito natin i-connect lahat ng parts natin. For the drives, ang ginamit natin is Adata Legend 960 Max na 1TB. This will be our main drive, and gumamit tayo ng Kingston NV3 na 2TB for our sub drive. So, dito pupunta lahat ng games natin, no? Okay, so for our power supply, gumamit tayo ng Hydro GT Pro 850 watts, 80 plus gold semi-modular from FSP. And ang ginamit nating PC case to complete the build is C8560 Digital Mesh Black by Deepcool. So on this PC case, meron tayong napaka-convenient na feature para sa mga temperature-conscious na gamers natin dyan, which is itong digital screen that displays both temperatures of your processor and the GPU. So you can monitor them kahit hindi mo na ino-open yung application. And one glance, makikita mo na agad kung okay pa ba yung temperature ng both ng yung processor and GPU. Okay, so that's it for the parts. Start na natin yung build montage and enjoy!
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear outweighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Fearless.
Okay, so that's it for our build. I hope nag-enjoy kayo and expect more from us this year. So tuloy-tuloy yung gagawin nating contents and yun nga, kung ano yung mga gusto nyo itanong sa amin and sasagutin namin sila siguro sa mga next videos namin. And if you like the video, please comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Gotech TV. You can also visit us sa Gotech Microbiz, our FB page. And if you would like to order, meron din tayong Shopee, which is Mr. Shopman. And yun nga, salamat sa panonood once again and till next time.